In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can make and receive phone calls here in Windows 11. Before we do get into this guide, if you do find it helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, this is super convenient and works by linking your phone directly to your Windows 11 PC using Phone Link. To get started, go ahead and click on this search bar just like so and type in Phone Link, spelled exactly like that, and open it up. Now, once it does open up, what you're going to want to do is choose whatever device you have. So if you have an Android, go ahead and choose Android, or if you have an iPhone, go ahead and choose iPhone. In my case, I have an iPhone, but the setups are practically the exact same thing. So select your device, and then from here, what you're going to want to do is scan this QR code with your device. So you could just do this with your device's camera roll. Go ahead and hover over it, scan it, and then it's going to tell you to pair your device. Go ahead and just hit open, and it might have you download an app from the App Store, or you might be able to just continue pairing it with Bluetooth alone. Essentially, just go through the connection process and just make sure you have Bluetooth on, because as long as you have Bluetooth on, you will be good to go. Now, you may have to allow new connections as well, so just keep that in mind. But as soon as you go ahead and connect, it'll automatically pair. And once it does pair for you, you'll be able to not only send messages through your computer, but you'll also be able to make or receive phone calls. As you can see, it looks something like this. All you got to do is just give permission. And then from here, you can go ahead and dial whatever you like and make the phone calls that way. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.